So I've made a number of videos using a small trading account. Well, the other day it happened that someone caught me on the street and asked me if I could help them with their small account. So then I said, sure, it shouldn't be a problem. And that's because I think that my simple option trading strategy works for accounts of any size. How much money do you have in your small account? Okay, so it took me a day to get over the surprise, but I'm willing to accept the challenge. So starting with a tiny account that only has $500 in it, I'm going to see if I can make a 10% profit or $50 within the next 30 days. So using my small account that only has $500 in it, I decided to use it all to sell a cash secure put using stock symbol TCDA. So if you're not familiar with how a put option works, I'll explain it briefly by giving you this high level overview. If you already know, go ahead and skip ahead about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and I'll see you on the other side. Now let's take a look at how a put option works. So a put option gives the owner, the person that holds the put option, it gives them the right to sell 100 shares. So as you can see from this diagram, a put option, that one option equals 100 shares. It controls 100 shares of an underlying stock. In this example, it's ABC Incorporated. Now the option, this put option has an expiration date, September 27th, 2021, and a strike price of $95. So let's take a look more in depth now. So this person that owns the put option, they have the right to sell the 100 shares. So they can exercise that option and sell 100 shares, and they're guaranteed to get $95 per share. Now the catch is they have to sell the shares before the option expires. So sometime between now when they hold it and the expiration date of September 27th, 2021, the owner of this option can sell those shares and acquire $95 per share as a part of that sale. So this option owner, they have the opportunity or the right to sell those shares, but they're under no obligation to do so. Next, let's take a look at some of the put option terminology. In particular, we're going to look at out of the money, at the money, and in the money. So if a share price is $95.01 or higher, in other words, it's above the strike price, the put option is considered out of the money. Next, if the share price is exactly the same as the strike price, in this case $95 for the share price and $95 for the strike price, this put option is considered at the money. And then for the last option, if the share price is below the strike price, in this example it's $94.99, it's exactly 1 penny below the strike price, or anything below that. So if the share price is below the strike price, then the put option is considered in the money. And when we say it's in the money, it means that the person that owns this option and sells those shares, they're going to be guaranteed to receive $95 per share. And that's irrespective of the current price of the shares. So if the current share price is $90, the put option owner can still sell the shares for $95. Here's the actual transaction record from my account history. Remember my small account that only has $500 in it, and I used it all to sell this cash secure put for stock symbol TCDA with $5 strike price and an expiration date of October 21st of 2022. Now you can see I submitted this order on October 5th, making this a 16-day option trade, so just over 2 weeks. So when I submitted this option contract, it was filled at 9:17 a.m. Hawaii time or 12:17 p.m. Pacific time. Now at the time this option order was filled, it was currently paying $1.10 per share. So when it actually got filled, I received a total premium payment of $110. Now let's go ahead and take a look at a daily chart for this stock symbol TCDA. We can find out what happened on the expiration date of October 21st, 2022. And we could see here that the stock closed at $10.88 per share, which is well above my strike price of $5 per share, which means this option contract expires worthless. So if you remember at the beginning of this video, I said my goal was to earn $50 or 10%. Let's take a look at what actually happened. So my tiny account started with $500. By selling the cash secure put, I received a total premium payment of $110. This option contract expired worthless, so I keep my $500 plus the $110 premium that I received, making my total profit 22%. So some of the keys to successful option trading: picking the right stocks and also picking the right expiration dates. So if you notice, today, October 24th, 2022, stocks TCDA dropped 94%. It's now trading under $1. So luckily for me, my option trades expired on October 21st, and I'm out of this trade. And that's why I'm never shy about saying it's okay to take profits off the table. Now you may miss out on some of the high gain potential, but again, it's okay to take profit off the table and walk away a winner. Making profitable trades like this one depends on picking good stocks. And I use my one-button stock screener every time I trade. And now I'm making it available to you. Be sure to get my free one-button stock screener. It's the tool I use to help me pick stocks for option trades. You can get it right now by visiting simplestockscreener.com.